Let's look at this question. It says a cycle with an area of 500 meters square. Determine the diameter of the cycle. A cycle, something round, and then it has a diameter. Diameter is the distance from the circumference to the circumference part it passes at the center. So this is the diameter. The distance from here to here is what we are looking for. So we have two equations of this. So equation of a diameter is like this. When you have area and the cycle of a cycle, and then here it's 4. The other one you can use a radius instead of diameter, and then we have to multiply the radius by 2 when you get it. So your d here is equals to 2 times the radius. So as you can see, this is radius from distance from the circumference to the center, and then a distance from the center to the circumference is the same thing. So if you use this equation, you have to use as this one as well. But if you use this one, you just get the value of t like that. So let's use the simpler one. So we have something like this: pi d square divided by 4. So if you have pi d square divided by 4, we want to make what? D square the subject of the formula, and so that we can able to calculate the diameter. So first of all, we multiply both sides by 4. So this 4 will eliminate this 4, so you'll be left with 4a. This side you're left with 4a, and then this side you'll be left with d square, pi d square. Because you don't need the pi, you also divide by pi. What you do on the left, you must also do on the right. So this pi will cancel this pi, and then you'll be left with d square this side, and have something like 4a divided by a pi. So this side you'll be left with d square. So because you don't need the square here, you can just put a square root sign. So the square root sign will cancel this square here, and here it will remain like that. So we'll have something like 4a over pi equals to d square is d, and then you have d as a subject of the formula. Then we can take d2. It's still the same thing, it's just we rearrange it to make it simpler to calculate, because we are looking for a diameter. So now we can substitute the values, the value that it's given. So we have 500 meters square. So we can substitute where there's a. This means area is equals to 500 meters square. It's like this. And then you put 500 here. 500 divided by a pi. So this one you will have something like 4 times, it will give you 600, and when you divide it by pi, 636,61 when you have sort of the inside part. And then after finding the square root is 25,23 meters, because it's in meters, it will be in meters. So the diameter, it's equals to 25,23. In case they say they calculate the radius as well, because the equation of the diameter and the radius are related like this. So because you want the radius from the diameter, you just divide both sides by 2, and then 25,23 divided by 2. So you'll find something like 12,5 something meters, maybe 12,7, 12,6. But the radius will be like this if in case they say to calculate the radius. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the coming video.